Okay, first of all, thanks for inviting me to this interview. Let's look on this world, this modern world, and to compare it to the previous worlds where we've been to 10, 20 years ago. This world consists of data, all type of data. We are actually surrounded by data, and let's say data is flying around us. But if you look in the past, what we could get from the data, we just could predict. We could make some taking historical data and do prediction of future, what will happen in future. What artificial intelligence gives us? It gives us a possibility not only to predict, but also to compare prediction with the historical data and make the adjustment if they are needed. And it's a rolling approach when we adjusting the model, not only ourselves, but model adjust and improve itself to provide the better outcome. Analytics is most important part of our life right now, and if you look on any industry, it all uses analytics. Look at banking, for example. It's finance sector. Let's start with banking. You come to the finance. You come to bank and you make the request to provide you a credit. So you need to be scored. Sometimes for the bank it takes. For some banks it takes 2 minutes. For some banks it takes 3 days. Of course, you will stay with the bank who will do proper scoring and who will do that as soon as possible, as fast as possible. If you look on any organization, commercial organization, they have 2 major goals, is to increase revenue and decrease cost. And analytics brilliantly helps them to achieve those two goals in order to show the better profit. There are no industries right now where analytics is not being used. So it's insurance, it's telco, it's production, it's energy and utility. Analytics is everywhere. It's needed everywhere. And even if we go beyond commercial organization, go to governments, which is the main goal of them to increase citizenship, to increase citizenship's satisfaction. Analytics is also used through hyper-personalization. Government doesn't have goal to gain profit on citizens, but citizens should have better perception of government service, and analytics is definitely helps to do that. So as I said, analytics is around us. You can't avoid it. You can't avoid it right now, and artificial intelligence helps a lot to manage your organization better, provide you better insight of organization, make the quality decisions faster, and to get the best insight from data out of your organization. If companies don't rely on advanced analysis, they will be simply not competitive on the market. They will be easily replaced by their competitor who use analytics, who use data. And as I said, we consider any industry. You go to a retail company and you get the offer to buy alcohol and pork cheaper, but you don't drink alcohol and don't eat pork. What will be your attitude to such a retail? So your loyalty will be decreased. your perception will be bad. And the reason behind, because you are not profiled well, you are not scored well, and that's why offer that was made is not doesn't fit actually you. It's not suitable for you. Go to the to insurance companies. You buy insurance. You don't use it. There was no accident. There was no cases. But next year, insurance price for insurance is growing. Your expectation should be less, but it's growing because again you are not profiled well. Yeah, there is no hyper personalization. Go to the bank. You are looking for bank with a high deposit interest rate, but that bank offers you credit with a good rate. So that's a wrong proposal. So companies that are organizations that are not implementing advanced analytics, who are not using artificial intelligence, they can't keep the loyalty of their customers. They can't provide better offers. They can't do hyper personalization. So as a result, there will be churn on the one hand, which will lead to revenue decrease, and they will have a non-needed cost, so which also have a negative impact on profit.